caught you in the trap now.
Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I am trying a new 3-suction cup mount for my Sony a7S II. Typically, I vlog with either my GoPro, haven't done that in a while, my phone, which I do sometimes still, and then the Sony a7S II, which I've been trying to incorporate a lot lately. I do a lot of videography on the side, so when it comes to vlogging, I hate to change all my settings over. I hate to get the camera ready to clean it. The battery sucks on it, it's not that good. It's just a pain in the butt to make my Sony a7S II work for vlogging, but I do have, you know, more time than the normal person. So not than like someone that does this for a living, but I do have a little bit more time, so I want to try, and on the days I do, try and put more time and just try and release better quality content, even if it's still vlogging. I still want the image to be really good. I want you to be able to watch it on your TV screen and be like, wow, this quality is really good. So I'm testing this mount out. The only problem is, and I'll show a picture here of my most favorite lens. It's my 24 to 70 millimeter. If you know anything about the new Sonys, the bodies are really light, and these lenses, especially this one, it's a 24 to 70 millimeter G Master lens. It is freaking heavy. And I usually use that lens because the autofocus is incredible on it, but it's too heavy for this suction cup, especially driving around hitting bumps. I'm afraid it's gonna move and I'm gonna lose the camera. It's just gonna fall off, or it's just gonna shake too much because of how heavy it is. So I'm using my prime lens, which I typically use for portraits. It's a 50 millimeter 1.8, but the autofocus is terrible on it. So I'm hoping that if I stay within like this same region right here, that the autofocus will work really good. But that's just to start off the vlog. I really wanted to keep you guys up to date with that. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are. If you care if content creators put, you know, better quality content out. And I'm not talking about thumbnails and what they're talking about, but I'm talking in actual terms of quality. Like, you know, there's some YouTubers who get away with GoPros, and then there's some YouTubers, you know, that they prefer a Canon like 5D Mark V, which is like a $3,000 body. And that's not even including the lens. But I already have the equipment, so it's like I might as well use it. And I've gone back and forth on this idea so many times because it's so easy just to pick up the phone and vlog with it. But I figure when I have the time, I'm going to try and put some extra time into the content. That way it's actual quality content. So let me know if you guys think it's worth it. I'm going to do it either way. I want to test it out. Plus, I want to see just how good the focus is on this lens. So let's get into today's video. All right, guys. So before I start the rest of this vlog, actually, if there's any noise, it's because this thing's trying to autofocus. So if this doesn't work out, I've got actually another lens I might pick up, a 35 millimeter, which is a little bit wider angle, so you won't be so damn close to my face. And the autofocus is actually a lot better on it. So I may pick that one up again. Anyways, I've been getting a lot of comments on my RAM videos asking if, or telling me that they saw me use 87 octane in the truck when the owner's manual states to use 89 octane. And people were saying that's the reason I'm getting bad gas mileage. Maybe that's the reason the towing performance wasn't as good. Which, on the towing thing, it towed just fine. It was just really windy that day, plus the trailer's really long. The only thing, I wasn't complaining about the performance, I was more complaining about the sway. But that kind of has to do with the length of the trailer, how windy it was, and the trailer being unloaded. Anyways, I'm gonna try. I've got about a half a tank left, so I'll have to update you on a different video on what the 89 octane does. But it does state that RAM recommends 89 octane, which means they recommend it. So it's totally not necessary. But yes, if you want to unlock your engine's full potential, the full power, you should use the recommended fuel. Now, you have to remember that all fuels, whether it's 87, 89, 91, they all have to have cleaning detergents in them, stated by the law, obviously, when they produce these fuels. So it's not like one's gonna clean better than the other. They all have to have these cleaning agents in them. So there's that to remember. Also, with these new engines, all of them have NOx sensors on them. So here's the thing, is that if the engine detects knock because of the lower rating of octane, the computer will adjust the timing map for it. So that's another thing you got to remember. Now, will it hurt your performance? Yes, it could. You could be lower on performance, but it's 87 versus 89. I don't think it's a huge difference, but I'm willing to give it a try. I did reset my mile per gallon on the 87, and I drove it yesterday and today, and it was getting 15 miles a gallon average. So I'll have to update you guys on if that is a difference, but I'm gonna pay, man, that's a big difference. They don't even have 87 or 89 octane here. They only have 86 or 88. So I guess I've actually been putting 86 in the truck. Okay, let's go find a gas station that has 87. Since everyone wants to be so specific that I messed it up, let's go find a gas station that actually has 87. So that one only has 86, 88, and 91. And I'm definitely not putting 91 in this, but the price difference, man, it's hot in here. I don't know why I have a damn hoodie on. The price difference just from 86 to 88 was 20 cents difference. That's a big difference. So I don't know, if they recommend it, that's not meaning it's required. Whereas the Hellcat, you are required to put 91 octane in the vehicle. That's a requirement, not a recommendation. So recommended and requirement, two totally different words. So just make sure you kind of read everything with a grain of salt, or take everything with a grain of salt. When you read it, make sure you actually read into what's going on. So I'm going to look for a gas station. I know Valero, to stay away from them because they only offer like 85, 87, and 90. It's really weird. I didn't even know Toot and Totem, that's the one we were just at, was 86, 88, and 91. I thought that was really weird. But yeah, Valero's here don't even have 91, which makes no sense to me. Everyone should offer the same octane rating. So I'm going to go look for a gas station that has 87, so I can make it, 89, sorry. I've been putting in 87. I've possibly been putting in 86, like I said, as I usually fill up at Toot and Totem. But to make everyone happy, and because I really want to see if there is a difference, we are going to put in some true 87 octane. So I'll update you guys when we get over there. All right, guys, our quest for 89 octane is not going so good. I just went to a Phillips Route 66 gas station, and they did not have it either. Their only choices was 86, 88, or 91. So, and there's a Valero. Like I said, they don't have it. They also only do, I think theirs is 85, 87, and 90. Let's see if this gas station over here, what they've got going on. The things I do for you guys. They have take the glasses off for this one. I don't think they have it either. This is ridiculous. Does anyone have 89 octane? Is it really that big a difference? I can't give you your recommended octane rating when they don't offer it anywhere. So, the search continues. I'm gonna waste more gas looking for this. So, but I'd really like to see the price difference, because it's like, is the price difference worth it? How much horsepower can you really gain? It's not like this is a high performance vehicle. It's just a half-ton truck with a 5.7 liter V8. There's no, it's just naturally aspirated. There's no supercharger. There's no turbo on it. It's just naturally aspirated 5.7 liter V8. So how much difference can it really make? That's a good question. Someone should put it on the dyno and really tell me if there's a difference. Or if you guys want to see it, I'll see if I could rent a dyno to make horsepower in my truck. I don't know if I'd go that far, but I do want to see if the mile per gallon changes, because I want to know if it's drastic or not. But can it be drastic enough to justify the 20 to 30 cent cost difference, which I'm guessing that's what it's going to be based off of the difference with 86 and 88 over here. So that'll be a good question. Alright guys, I striked out at United obviously the Valeros, Phillips Route 66. I tried another gas station. None of them had 89. So finally, the one gas station over off Coulter, the Chevron, which I figured would have it, they have 89. It is $2.09 a gallon. $2.09 a gallon. So I'm paying, 20 to 30 cents depending on which place I use. 20 to 30 cents more just for this 89 octane. So, like I said, I won't be able to update you in this video, but I will make another follow-up video on this to see if the 89 octane makes a difference. But currently, I've been getting 15. The best I've seen is 15.1, but on average, it's been more like 14.9, 15 average mile per gallon with the 87 or 86 octane. I don't even remember what I was using now because I wasn't really paying attention. I was just picking the lowest octane rating because I didn't know that they recommend, remember, they recommend 89 octane. So we're gonna fill this up real quick. All right, guys, so I just filled up at the local Chevron. So like I said, I'll have to make a follow-up video because I already had half a tank of 87 or 86, whatever, still in it. So I will make a follow-up video in a few days. So you're seeing this video on Tuesday because I'm a day ahead of my videos, which is a good thing because I'm trying to keep up with the content for you guys. But today is Monday, January 7th, and I want to give a shout out to everyone that wished me happy birthday. You guys didn't know, and I don't like to share those types of things, but I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that did say happy birthday, and huge shout out to Kennedy for making me feel special. She sent me a cake, and she knows I'm trying to diet, but she sent me this huge, massive bundt cake, and she said, even though you're dieting, you deserve a cake on your birthday. So I did have a slice of that. Probably won't eat any more of it. But, that's why I did go to Lubbock over the weekend, because she had to work, and we wanted to hang out and spend time together for my birthday. So that's why I went to Lubbock over the weekend. It was already recording.
What? You've tricks. You look so... Oh my gosh.
Smoking like a motherfucker high, then a motherfucker bitch, please stop the play. Says Charlotte when the boys get to the mother boys, we can hear a word you say.
And had an awesome time with her. So huge shout out to her, and huge shout out to my friends and family that wished me happy birthday. Like I said, you guys didn't know, and the few of you that did, I really appreciate you taking time out of your day to say happy birthday, because you don't have to, and I'm just a nobody, so it doesn't really matter. But I did remove it. If you guys don't have Facebook, Facebook reminds everyone whose birthday it is on the day of their birthday, and it gets kind of annoying because it's super nice of people, but everyone posts, happy birthday on your Facebook, people you haven't even talked to in years, which is cool, but it kind of gets annoying to respond back to everyone. And because I really, as you guys know in the comments, no matter what, since day one, I've always tried to respond to comments, unless it's from a video gets passed by other videos. But usually within a few days, up to like a week or two on older videos, I will comment back to you. So same thing on Instagram. And so on Facebook, I really feel the need to comment back to people just because that's the type of person I am. But when you have like hundreds of people writing happy birthday on your wall because Facebook notified them, it's a lot. It's kind of annoying. So I took my birthday off of my Facebook account, I think 2 years ago. And obviously my mom still posts on my Facebook happy birthday. And so some people saw it and some people posted. But like I said, huge shout out to everybody that did wish me happy birthday. It's very nice of you. I am 28, if you guys are wondering. and someone's calling me right now, and I'm gonna not answer that at the moment because I'm trying to finish this vlog. So that's the update on the fuel. I guess I was running the wrong gas, you could say, but like I said, it's just recommended, not required, so there is a difference to me. And like I said, it's just a half-ton truck, 5.7 liter V8, nothing crazy special about it. You know, I love this truck. I think it's an awesome truck, but do I really think the octane rating is going to make that much of a difference from 87 to 89? I don't believe so, but we will find out in another video, and I will update you guys on that, and I'll keep you up to date on that. This week, we are leaving to Houston on Thursday night, so if you guys are in the Houston area or the surrounding areas, really would like to see you guys. We are doing a private track rental. Unfortunately, no one can come to that but the participants, but after that, we're doing a meetup, and Kevin should be posting some details about that, so make sure you stay up to date on his channel on Instagram if you guys are in the area and want to meet up. Hopefully do a video with like RP Productions and a couple other YouTubers. Be pretty cool while we're out there. Just link up and make videos and make content for you guys. Maybe some content you haven't seen, but I do have some really cool mods coming to the truck this week and next week, and I think you guys will be really excited to see them. I know I am, so I get to drive it. That's why I'm really excited. So that's a short video for you guys. I guess we'll see the difference on one of my next videos once this 86, 87 runs out of the truck, and then we can keep filling it up with 89 and really get a good average mile per gallon and see if it helps at all. But that's a short video. Make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, VanV39, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Let me know what you think about the quality. Let me know if you think the 50 millimeter is just too close. This is a prime lens, so it doesn't adjust. It's only 50 millimeter focal length, so it doesn't adjust. Like I said, my other lens is too big. It's too heavy for this mount for vlogging and with not someone making sure it's not going to fall. So I could get a 35 millimeter like I had before. Let me know your guys' thoughts below. I always appreciate your comments and your likes, and I love interacting with you guys, and I love hearing your opinions because it makes me look at things a different way. So we'll see you guys.
Pushing heavy under